That's the fun of doing artwork, when you have an idea in your head. And you say, well, I'm going to make that, but you don't have any plans, and you just somehow know how to do it. I was totally down and out. I'm telling you what, I didn't have nothing. And I had this dream to put murals all up and down 8th Avenue Drive West. My roommate's boss wanted me to do a sign for him called Teresa's Restaurant. So then I did that one. And then it just kind of took off from there. Well, I have done 12 murals on Cortez Beach down to Coquina Beach of seagulls that are on 3 by 12-foot pylons. And I loved that job. I was painting murals and swimming in the ocean. Oh, I'd say the project that I'm most proud of is having people on the street that I live on letting me put murals on their houses. I've done a purple orchid house and a cypress swamp house and a cactus flower house, and the apartment I used to live in, it was a second floor apartment. I put spoonbill ducks and pink flamingos on that building. That's the other thing that makes me happy, that Steve Davis' name is going to be on buildings all over the place long after he's left this lovely world. That's what I look forward to, is that day after I've been away from a piece of artwork for a while, and then I can go back and look at it and really appreciate it the way other people appreciate it, because I'm looking at it from, not the work part is all gone, and that part's so far back you don't quite remember what all you did, and you're just looking at it like other people look at it. And then I look at it and then I go, wow.
Heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak, and I seem to find the happiness I seek when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Heaven, I'm in heaven, and the cares that hung around me through the week seem to vanish like a gambler's lucky streak when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, I love to climb a mountain and to reach the highest peak, but it doesn't thrill me half as much as dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, I love to go out fishing in a river or a creek, but I don't enjoy it half as much as dancing cheek to cheek. Dance with me, I want my arm about you. The charm about you will carry me through to heaven. I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak, and I seem to find the happiness I seek when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek.